Hey guys, welcome you all into 3P Technology to the Point. In this quick video, I'm going to share 6 active coupons for Udemy courses. Those are related to cloud, data architecture, advanced Agile Scrum Master training, data analyst with Python, and many more. So the thing is, what you need to do, you just need to mention in the comment box for which course you are interested. So I'll share the coupon code for you for that particular course. Also, don't forget to subscribe this channel. This is my channel where you are getting latest videos related to the coupons or the cloud computing related resources or the DevOps resources. Here in the video, you can go through the popular videos and also you can check the latest videos here. So without wasting time, let's get started with the courses now. So the first course is about the master course in cloud computing and cloud architecture, which is just a 1 hour course and you can see the content here. Next course we are having that is about the master course for Microsoft Security Operations Analyst. That is useful if you are preparing for SC200 exam from Microsoft Azure. Next course is about Amazon S3, that is deep dive course. It's just a 1 hour course actually, where you will get everything related to the Amazon S3. Next course is about data architecture, where you will get the content related to the database management, business intelligence, or DBMS related stuff. You can see here. Next course is about Scrum Certification 2023 and Agile Scrum Master Certification. If you are preparing for any of the certification, then this Advanced Agile Scrum Master training gonna help you. This is just a 2 hours content. Here you can see the content or the lectures what you are getting in this course. The last course we are having that is for data analytics A to Z with Python. So this is a 4 hours course and you can see why you need Python and Python hands-on labs are there. So in these 4 hours you will learn everything related to the data analytics. So without wasting time, let's start with the course now. So for the first course, this is the one I need to apply coupon. So what you need to do, you need to come down here and in this box you need to apply the coupon. What coupon you need to apply? Let me put it. Once you will apply this coupon code mentioned in the screen, just click on apply. It will become free for you and you will have the lifetime access for this course. Let's check the next one. Next course is for Microsoft Security Operations Analyst and the coupon for this one is this. You can see on the screen. Just click on apply. It will become free for you. Okay, let's check the next one. So for the third course, you need to come here. That is for Amazon S3. You just need to mention the course name so I can share the coupon for that particular course with you. You can mention more than one courses, but I want to make sure that it will reach more people who are in need for these courses. Okay, let's check the next one. Next is for data architecture. For this one, the coupon code you can see on the screen. You can use it here or mention in the comment box if you are interested. So I'll share with you. Now let's check the next one for Agile Scrum Master training. For that, you need to come here on this course link that I'll share in the description box, and need to apply this coupon code, and it will become free for you. Now let's check the last one. For the last course, you need to come here. That is for data analytics. So now you can see that all the 6 coupons are free when I'm recording this video. So I hope these courses will help you to boost your career. You will learn a lot of things and I'll share more coupons in upcoming videos. So without wasting time, click on like button for this video, share with your friends and subscribe this channel for more coupons and more courses.